that L5 has shifted back by 7 millimeters, and that's what's pinching off that nerve there. That's that L5 nerve getting shifted there, or pinched there. And your body is spasming. You can see the spasm that's happening, but really the lateral view, generally you're supposed to have curves in it, but you're straight as a board. So I know that doesn't look like that today because you're some of that spasm came down, but let's fix this up. Let's come on over here. So acute low back yesterday. Generally we don't check people back-to-back days there, Manny, but you were bad enough walking in here, really bent over. So we're going to reset that L5 on you there. Okay. So, man, we got to know exactly where that bone is that we're setting, especially when you're so acute, and that's the one right there. Go ahead and breathe out. Good. That's it. Perfect. Good job. So, Manny, do you see that's on the other side now? That'll come right down to the center if I go over that a couple times. How did you hold up last night?
I slept good. Like, as soon as I got home, I think I went to sleep because I started to feel relaxed. So
yeah,
I think I fell asleep like around 8 o'clock, 7:30, something like that. So
your body's been in fight or flight for the last couple. When did this happen?
Monday.
Monday.
Monday morning.
So you've been spasming out since Monday morning. But once that clears out a little bit, that pressure, that body just
held it out.
Beautiful.
As soon as I ate a little bit of food and I sat down or laid down and relaxed, I was done.
Perfect. Well, that happened this weekend too. You're good.
All right, awesome.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.